Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn what is maps and direction. But before understanding maps, we have to know what is direction and classification of direction. Directions. Students, can you see the picture? That is east, west, north, and south. There are four main cardinal directions that are north, south, east, and west. And together it form the letter news. How to find direction? You know, you can find out the direction with the help of sun. Direction east, west, north, and south. These are the four directions. The direction you face the rising sun is the east, at your back is the west, to your right is the south, and to your left is the north. You can see the sun in daytime only, but if it is cloudy, you cannot see it. People need to know the direction at all times of the day as well. In order to find a direction, we use compass. This is a picture which is a picture of compass. If you look very carefully, you will find the compass have 8 directions: east, west, north, south, northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. It looked like a watch. In earlier times, the sailor used this compass to find out the direction in which they were sailed. So, you can see that there is a needle which always point to the north. Map. As it is shown in the picture, this is the picture of the map. To study the earth and its different features, we use map. So what is map? A map is a drawing or representation of earth or a part of it on a flat surface, and various features are colored in different type of colored. Like there are various features such as mountain, rivers, road, etc. Map can be big or it can be small. Big maps that can be hung on the wall are called wall map. The map, there is a book which is a collection of different maps, and that book is called Atlas. Let's talk about globe. What is globe? A globe is a model of a earth which gives accurate picture of the earth's surface and shows the location of places on into a smaller scale. Now, for us, it is not possible to see all places on a globe at a time. We can see only half part of the place on the globe, and other half for looking other half we have to rotate the globe. Another disadvantage of globe is that we cannot carry globe everywhere because it is very huge in size. So, globe has two types: terrestrial globes and celestial globe. Now, what is terrestrial globe? Terrestrial globe are a spherical map of the world we have just read, which talks about a raised relief feature. whereas celestial globes use the earth as an imaginary earth of the universe to map the stars in spherical form and show the notable stars and constellation. That's all for today. Have a good day.